The sister of dismissed Mambantarlac Mayor Alice Guo recounted their escape from the Philippines on July 18 along with her two siblings, Alice Guo and Wesley Guo, during a Senate hearing of the Committee on Justice and Human Rights, Committee on Women, Children, Family Relations and Gender Equality, and Committee on Public Services on Tuesday, after no traces of their departure from the country was found in the Bureau of Immigration. Sheila Guo confirmed that they boarded several boats to leave the Philippines and arrive in Malaysia.
Sakay po kami ng boat.
Ha?
Ano po?
Sasakay kami ng boat sa dagat.
Boat?
Sumakay kayo ng boat sa
Saan?
dagat.
According to Sheila Guo, around 7 in the evening, a van picked them up from their farm in Mambantarlac and took them southbound travel.
Po kasi galing kami sa bahay. Tapos
Bahay.
may sunto sa amin na isang sasakyan.
Saan kayo
Diretso
dinala?
Anong klaseng sasakyan?
Van.
Van. And then, saan nga kayo dinala?
Hindi ko alam kung sa yung lugar. Siguro biyahe kami ng ilan oras. Hindi ko
Mga ilang
masabi.
oras?
Hindi ko matantaas yung matagal din.
Araw kayong umalis, then gabi kayo dumating doon? Or araw
Ah,
kayong umalis, araw din dumating?
Halos tapos ng dinner. Kung siguro outer dinner, 7:08. Tapos ang lating namin hating gabi na po.
So mga 5 hours by van. Tapos anong,
Hindi ko sure kung tama pa kasi hindi ko maano sa oras po.
Madam Chair?
tapos just one more follow-up and then before SP Pro Tem. Anong klaseng boat yung sabi niyong boat na sinakyan niyo?
Yung maliit na puti.
Maliit na puti. SP Pro Tem?
Sino yung driver na sumundo sa'yo?
Hindi ko kilala.
Pati plate number na sasakyan, di mo alam.
Hindi po.
Ilan kayo ron sa van?
Po,
Ilan
Ilan
kayo
daw
sa
kayo
van?
sa van?
tatlo po.
Tatlo. Sino-sino?
Kaming tatlo.
Sino?
Sinong tatlo?
Si Alice tsaka si Wesley.
Edad, sabay pala kayo ni Alice, lumayas. Sabay kayo ni Alice, lumayas dito sa Pilipinas. Oh.
At
O, yun
yung pagbiyahe niyo ni na Alice para umalis sa Pilipinas na
Based on Sheila Guo's detailed account, they boarded a van, 2 boats, and a ship before reaching Malaysia. They rode a fishing boat that could accommodate about 10 people to a larger ship, and then boarded a small boat again to finally reach Sabah, Malaysia.
Sabi mo.
Oh, maliit lang po.
Kaya nga, ilang tao
Siguro
lang?
kasya
10.
10 o mga ganyan siguro.
Hindi ka makakatayo, makalakad-lakad na gano'n.
Maliit
Kasi
lang.
maliit lang
Opo,
di ba?
maliit
Tapos
lang po.
after 5 hours, sumakay na kayo ng malaking boat.
Opo,
Yung malaking boat na yun, ilan na kasya doon?
malami.
100 na kasya.
Marami po.
Oo, kasi yun na yung pumunta ng Malaysia.
Po.
Okay. Salamat.
When asked during the hearing about the reason for their departure, Sheila said that Alice only asked her to come along because she was feeling sad and she didn't know that they were going to escape.
Is na kayo nung gabi, alam mo kung saan kayo pupunta?
Hindi po.
Hindi ka nagtatanong?
Tatanong ko, ang sabi niya sa akin, sabi niya ate, nalulungkot ako, samahan mo ako, may pupuntahan ako, sabi niya.
Pero bawal ka magtanong.
Hindi naman sa bawal, hindi siya sinabi sa akin kung saan punta.
Ikaw, sasakay ka dun sa van, hindi mo kakilala yung sasakyan mong van,
Hindi.
hindi mo alam saan ka pupunta.
Hindi po.
So handa ka na kahit saang lupalop
Opo.
ng daigdig, sasamahan mo siya.
Opo.
Kahit impyerno, samahan mo siya.
Opo.
Okay. So, ngayon, sumakay ka,
According to Sheila, they landed on Sipadan Island in Sabah, Malaysia. It was also in this country where they met Cassandra Leong. Upon arriving in Malaysia, there was a woman who assisted them reaching Singapore.
tama po ang ipinakita ni Sen. Sherwin sa akin, Malaysian immigration yan, pero yung siyempen na ay mukhang Sabah nga sa pagkakakilala natin or particularly Sipadana Island. At may nakastamp na rin dun sa kabilang page, deportation. I suppose yan po ay mula na sa Indonesian.
After arriving in Indonesia on August 18, Alice Guo decided to go their separate ways, but the former mayor refused to tell Sheila where Alice Guo was going. Thus, Sheila has no idea about the whereabouts of the mayor. Meanwhile, Cassandra Ong and Sheila Guo were caught by Indonesian immigration while boarding a ferry out of Indonesia. During the hearing, investigating agencies presented their theories of how the three siblings were able to leave the Philippines. According to the National Bureau of Investigation, the Guos may have used a back door to leave traveling from Taan to Sava. Meanwhile, Cassandra Ong refused to attend the hearing. This is Griza Lopez for EuroTV News.